friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see dialogue at the airport in German. So we'll start. First we'll see a few words related to airport and then we'll proceed towards a dialogue. So first word is Flug. Flug meaning flight. Then comes Flughafen. Flughafen is airport because Hafen meaning port. So altogether it becomes Flughafen, airport. Then comes Einchecken. Einchecken meaning check-in. Then Koffer. Koffer is suitcase. A big suitcase is called as Koffer in German. Then comes Kabinentasche. Kabinentasche is cabin bag. Tasche meaning bag. So in English, so it is Kabinentasche, cabin bag. And then pilot. Pilot is pilot. If you see the spelling is exactly same as in English, but the pronunciation will be pilot. Now we'll start with the dialogue. So now if you go to any airport in Germany, then you will go to the check-in counter. Then you will say to that person, Guten Tag, meaning good day. That person also will say Guten Tag. This is a way to greet each other in Germany. Then you will say Ich möchte einchecken, meaning I want to check in. Right? So einchecken is check-in. And möchten is ich möchte, meaning I want to or I would like to. This is the most common phrase in German. Then that person will ask you, haben Sie Ihren Reisepass dabei? Meaning, do you have your passport with you? Reisepass is passport and dabei is with you. So haben is a verb, meaning have. So do you have passport with you? Then you will say, yeah, here is it, meaning yes, here it is. Then you will hand over that passport to that person. Then that person will say, okay, bitte geben Sie Ihre Flugnummer. Now that person will say, please give your flight number. Flug is flight and number is number. So again, you will tell your flight number. S is XYZ, whatever is the flight number. S is meaning it is. Then again that person will say, ich suche Ihren Flug. I search your flight. Suche is a verb, meaning to search something. Ich suche Ihren flight. Then again that person will ask you, haben Sie Gepäck zum Einchecken? Do you have any luggage to check in? Gepäck meaning luggage. So do you have anything to check in, any luggage? Then you will say, ja, ein Koffer. Yes, one suitcase. Haben Sie Kabinentasche? Again, that person will ask you, do you have any cabin baggage? Then you will say, ja, eine kleine Tasche. Meaning, yes, a small bag, you can say, cabin bag. Then again that person will ask you, möchten Sie einen Sitzplatz am Fenster oder am Gang? Now here, Fenster meaning window and Gang is aisle. So what the person is asking you, do you want to have a seat by the window or by the aisle? So you will say, einen Fensterplatz bitte, meaning a window seat please. Bitte is please. And Platz is seat. So Fenster is window we have seen. So a window seat please. Then that person will say, here is Ihre Bordkarte. Bordkarte meaning boarding pass. So here is Ihre Bordkarte. Here is your boarding pass. And then that person will hand over that boarding pass to you. And that person will say, Ihr Flug started on gate 4. Meaning, your flight will depart from gate 4. 4 is 4. Gate is gate only. And started meaning depart. So, and again, the person will say, Guten Flug, meaning have a nice flight. And obviously, you will say, Vielen Dank, meaning thank you so much. So, this is a small dialogue at the airport. So, that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, share and like. Thank you and bye-bye.